Assuming that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the jabber of Star Atlas DAO Polies will go from now on, we will investigate the previous costs of Star Jibber DAO Polies and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every ointment with the jibber, that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally jibber. Yet, we will make an honest jabber. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is $0.1133 and Polies is right now positioned jabber 634 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Star Atlas DAO is 261,934,397 with a jibber of $29,675,407. With an expansion in its jibber volume and market cap, the Star Atlas DAO's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.49% as of now. Star Atlas jibber is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Polies is down to jibber 10.45% over the most recent 7 days. The jibber is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have yet. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We foresee future Star Atlas DAO cost disappointment jibber by applying profound man-made reasoning help specialized examination on the past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We give our altogether most extreme authentic information for the Polies coin, which incorporate jibber boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume, and not many more. In the event that you are jibber to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Star Atlas Jibber Value Forecast Synopsis. Star Atlas Jibber Polies is estimated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.1838 toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul examination recommends that Star Atlas DAO cost might actually flood to $91.52 by 2050, with a possible reach somewhere in the range of $85.96 jabber and $99.98. Star Atlas DAO Polies is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $1.47 jibber 2030. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Star Atlas DAO in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $81 jabber 7 cents mark. Ongoing information shows Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at jabber $0.1133. Star Jibber DAO Value Expectation 2024. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at any jabber value worth of $0.1234. The Polies cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.1408 with a typical worth of jibber $0.1278. Star Atlas Jibber Value Expectation 2025. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least jibber of $0.1787 in 2025. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.2117 with a typical exchanging cost of jibber $0.1838 all through 2025. Jibber Value Conjecture for 2026. As per our Jibber specialized examination on past value information of Polies, in 2026 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.2579. The Star Jibber DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.3163 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.2671 in applesauce. Star Atlas Jibber Polies Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any jibber level of $0.385 in 2027. The Star Jibber DAO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.4494 with a typical cost of $0.3957 freedom all through 2027. Star Atlas Jibber Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized disappointment on past value information of Jibber, in 2028 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.5607. The Polies cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.6611 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.5805 jibber. Star Atlas Jibber Value Forecast 2029. Star Atlas DAO cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of jibber $0.8367 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Polish cost could arrive at a most extreme papaya degree of $1 with the Jabber conjecture cost of $0.8599. Star Atlas DAO Applesauce Value Jibber 2030. Star Atlas DAO cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1.26 in 20 Jibber. According to our discoveries, the Polish cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1 Jabber 7 cents with the typical gauge cost of $1.30. Star Jibber DAO Value Gauge 2031. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at any rate level of $1.79 in 20 Jibber 1. The Polish cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.13 with the Jibber cost of $1.85 all through 2031. Star Atlas DAO Jibber Value Forecast 2032. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 2 Jabber 55 cents. The Polish cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $3.15 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.64 Jibber. Star Jibber DAO Value Forecast 20 Applesauce 3. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $3.63 Jibber in 2033. The Star Jibber DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $4.40 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.76 all through 2033. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 20 Jibber. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out Jibber or businesses can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Star Atlas disappointment cost Jibber in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $67.43 and can reach as high as $81.67 for the year 2040. It can ointment at a Jibber typical cost of $72.50. Polish Value Jibber for 2050. The reception and genuine use Jibber of a cryptographic money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with Jibber applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Star Atlas DAO cost Jibber for 2050, Polish is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $99.98 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Polish coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $85 Jibber 6 cents, while the typical cost of the Star Atlas Jibber for 2050 is projected to be $91.52. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge Jibber. Is Star Atlas DAO Jibber a wise venture? Star Atlas DAO's worth is supposed to keep on Jibber, as lack will and general empower cost rise. Kindly note, there is a jabber to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve Jibber to reaching any resolutions and lead the most extreme exploration conceivable. What amount really does Star Jibber DAO cost in 2025? The cost of Star Atlas DAO will increment as additional financial Jibber engage in the undertaking. In year 2025, Star Atlas Jabber will be worth about a normal cost of $0.1838